morning, dear students. How are you all? Doing good? Please have your breakfast. Very good. Then no need to waste the time. We will start the class. Okay? Let us see the date and day. Yes, today's date is 29th October 2021. Today it is Friday. Yes, Friday you have English subject, right? Let us see the thought for the day. Never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Yes, always life will be teaching. We will also be learning, right? You will also learn, I will also be by teaching I will learn, by listening you will learn, correct? Yes. Then we will start, children. Yes. Take out your workbook, children. Yes, still you are in workbook only, right? Yes, till where we completed? Yes, till where we completed, children? Tell me. Yes, till page number 66. I told you to write the letter writing. Have you all written, children? Yes, those are not written. Please complete it, okay? Yes. Then once again I will revise the letter writing also, okay? First what you should write? Sender address, then date, then yes, greetings, yes, then introduction, then body part, yes, how much, what is the main thing you will write that in body part, then ending the paragraph, ending the letter, okay? That then last, yes, last is signature, correct? Yes, now open page number 66, children, workbook page number 66, English part 1, okay? See here, yes, first I told you to write Dear Ali, right? Because here the letter writing is, Veeru is writing to Ali, that's why Dear Ali, okay? Dear Ali, how are you? I am writing this letter to invite you to celebrate Makara Sankranti with my family and me. The celebrations are next week. This festival is very special. We celebrate by flying kites and exchanging sweets. Okay? Yes. Then please come for the celebration. It would be great fun to celebrate with you. I will ask my mother to make tasty food and sweets for you too. Okay? I hope you can come during the celebration. Waiting your reply. Then your friend Veeru. Okay? Complete it, children, now itself the letter. Yes, please complete. Okay? Yes. Can you see now? Yes, please complete. Then next what we have, creative writing, picture based writing, exercise 5. Look at the picture given below. Describe what activity each person is doing. What this person is doing? Yes, he is skating, correct? Yes. What is his name? Yes, Porsu. Porus. Sorry children, Porus. What the Porus is doing is playing a skateboard. Write down, Porus is playing on a skateboard. Okay. Then a skateboard can also be used to travel from one place to another. Okay. Please complete now itself, children. Yes. Then turn next page. Yes. Next is Nuria. Nuria is playing badminton. This game uses a racket to hit a shuttlecock across a net. Okay, write it down. She is Nuria. She is playing badminton. This is a badminton game. She need a racket and shuttlecock to play this, right? Yes, write down. Then next is David. What David is doing? David is playing football. It is a sport played with a ball and between two teams of 11 players each. Yes, two teams will be there and 11 players will play the game. Okay? Each team 11 members will be. Okay, like a cricket only. Okay, then next. What is this? Fayez is what he is doing? He is cycling. Correct? Fayez is cycling. You can perform tricks on bicycle. Tricks you can perform. Or used it to travel from one place to another. Yes, one place to another you have to go also. You can use the cycle. Correct? Yes. Can you see, children? Yes, please complete it. Okay. Yes, complete and send it in the group. Then turn next page, last page we have. Now write 5 sentences about the importance of outdoor games and activities. You can use the words and phrases given below as hints. Here hints they are given. You can use this and make one, yes, paragraph. See, I have already written. You can copy down. Outdoor activities help to keep us healthy and fit. They involve us in physical work. Outdoor games are exciting and they include many fun activities. We never get bored playing outside. Outdoor games and activities help to keep our minds active and fresh. Okay. Then they also help us to form a routine. Routine means daily you are doing morning brushing, bathing, is that is routine. Okay. We can also spend time with our friends playing outdoor games. Okay. Can you see children? Please complete it. Yes. Please watch the video and complete. Okay. Yes, children. So we completed this workbook, right, children? Yes. Now, once again, we will revise the articles and all. Okay. Yes. What is an article, children? Articles are the words that point out nouns or a group of nouns. There are 3 articles in English. They are a and the. Okay. What they are? Tell me, children, what are the articles we have? Articles are, tell me, a and the. Okay. These are the 3 articles, okay, in English. So, a is used before, where you will use a? A is used before the singular word that begin with a consonant sound. Consonant sound should come, not the letter. You should not see the letter. You have to see how it spells. Okay. Example, a tree, a man, a uniform, like that. Okay. Example for this, a tree, a man, a uniform. Okay. Like that. You have to use and for that. Okay. Then next, a for that. Sorry, children. And is used before the singular nouns that begins with a vowel sound. It will begin with a vowel sound. Okay. The first letter may or may not be A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. You know, 5 vowels we have. A, E, I, O, U. Right. If it is not that A, E, I, O, U also, you have to use in a particular place. And example like an X-ray. See, an X-ray. X-ray. Okay. Then an umbrella. Sorry, an umbrella. Okay. Then an elephant. Also. Okay, children. Then the next you will see where you use the article. The is used following cases. In the following cases we are using the. Where now we are using, children? We should mention before earlier. It is mentioned before earlier, like I met a girl on bus. The girl was a swimming championship. Swimming champion. She was a swimming champion before. Okay. Before a word that is unique. Any unique word also we have to use the. Example like the sun, the moon, like the sun, the moon. Okay. And even for the places. Okay, like places like countries, rivers, mountains, seas. Not for countries, children. For rivers, seas, mountains, and for this and all we are using the. Example like the Himalayas, the Ganga river, the Ganges, like that. Okay. Yes. Like this we will use the for that. Okay. So this and all we learned in this class, right children? Yes. So we have three articles that are a and the, right children? Yes. See, we use a tree, a man, a uniform like that. Right? An X-ray, an umbrella, an elephant. We have to see the sound of the first word. Okay? First word. Then only we have to use a and the. Okay? Then the also we are using for a unique one. And even for rivers, mountains, seas and all we are using the. Okay? The Indian Ocean like that. Okay? The Ganga river. Then the seas like the Arabian Sea. Like that. Okay? Are you getting children? Yes. In this way we have to use these articles. So we have been completed the textbook, workbook, everything, right children? Yes. Then we should complete our notes also. So I will, next class I will do notes also. Okay? So today we will end up the class. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.